Same bridge a week later. Look. Everybody has to be out by 8 o'clock tonight. I've never seen anything like this. You can't even get down there. I was fishing off that pier last week. I didn't catch anything, but still. It's terrible. And this isn't anything yet. They're about to let the gates out because the dam broke. So when that happens, everybody's screwed. It's just crazy. Probably by the end of the night, that bridge right there is going to be covered in water. And they're passing army trucks and FEMA vehicles. No, that's a shitty way to wake up. You got FEMA knocking on your door? Yeah, I'd be probably a little defensive. All these people are about to have to lose their homes. Every single one of these houses is going to flood away. God help us all.